Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening, UBCG for short. I'm Moses, and today we're going to do a mail call. So a couple of weeks ago, actually longer than that, on Hands in the Dirt and You Grow Row, we're discussing Bentley Seeds having a really good sale, 75% off. So I decided that although I really didn't need any more seeds, I decided to order some seeds. So I'm going to show you what I ordered. Let's open the box. Well, first, this is the box that it came in. So as you can tell, or probably guess, it's a pretty fair amount of seeds. The first thing that I got were labels, because although I don't do it often, I do forget to write down what I have planted, and it's a pain not knowing what you have planted. So I got 3 of these, and it also says that the row markers are, well, they came in 3, but it was actually 50 of them. And I got some pollinated, or some flowers, and depollinated. The main purpose of ordering the seeds, like I said, I really didn't need any more, were twofold. First, my wife has been after me to put some color in the garden. These are Be the Change is what it's labeled as, and it's a pollinator flower seed mix. It includes Painted Daisy, the Rocket Imperial mix, Asters, Cosmos, so should have a lot of color. The second reason for ordering the seeds is we're going to be moving this time next year. We will be back on the family property up in North Florida. It will afford me the opportunity to have a much larger area to garden. So right now I'm looking at something maybe 30 by 35 or 35 by 40. I'm going to have metal raised beds, an area for my 5-gallon buckets. I have to have my 5-gallon buckets, and maybe area to put some stuff in the ground. So stay tuned for that in the upcoming future. Right. In addition to the pollinators that I got, I also got stuff that my family and I eat pretty regularly. So we got some herbs. We got basil, sweet basil. We got Italian flat leaf parsley. We got cilantro. We got oregano. We got 2 things of dill. And we got 2 things of cilantro as well. And the one that I dropped was oregano as well. So these are the herbs. I want to have an herb bed where I have these growing. We also got pretty much the standard stuff that we eat. We got Genovese sprouting broccoli. Got 3 of those. We got flat Dutch Lake cabbage. We got 3 of those. We got snowball Y cauliflower. 3 of those. We have Black Beauty eggplant. 2 of those. We got Tuscan lacinato kale. 2 of those. We got early crookneck squash, 3 of those. We got Black Beauty zucchini, 3 of those as well. We got Crimson Sweet watermelon, 3 of those. I haven't grown watermelon down south before. I did it once when we were up north, and I was successful at it. I had a couple of small watermelons that were sweet. We have Henderson lima beans, 3 of those. And we got 3 provider pole beans. And like I said, these won't be started until next year. So I'll have seeds on hand already. So I don't have to go out and buy any more. And they also sent some extra seeds. They have a Happy Mother's Day mix. This has cosmos, cornflower, Shasta daisy, coneflowers, and foxglove. We have some pink spring seeds that they sent, and this is a wildflower mix. We have a thank you for helping the pollinators mix. We have another wildflower mix called Oh Baby. This one has dwarf sunspot sunflowers, more cosmos, giant California mix zinnias, blue flax, snapdragons, and black-eyed Susans. We have sunflowers for mom. This one has a mixture of Sun Gold Tall, Autumn Beauty, Lemon Queen, Sun Gold Dwarf, Dwarf Sunspot, Velvet Queen, Large Stripe, Chocolate Cherry, and Black Olive Oil. And we have some forget-me-not seeds. So I'm looking forward to the new place up the road, the new garden up the road rather, and starting the seeds. And as I said, these will help me a lot. I'm greatly looking forward to it. If you're interested in purchasing seeds from Bentley Seeds, their website will be listed in the description portion of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and flowers by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and the all notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you are interested in a social media group chat about small space gardening, you can head over to Facebook and look up my site, Small Space Gardening. You can meet fellow gardeners like yourself that are interested in gardening but are only limited by small space. You can share your knowledge and receive knowledge as well. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, never forget to give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care, stay strong.